Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have administrative rights and a safe backup, because debug mode can expose data and change behavior. Once confirmed, open the application's config file or settings panel and locate the logging or debug flag. Change the log level to debug or set the debug boolean to true, make a timestamped copy of the original file, and restart the service if required. This first step gets detailed diagnostic output. It's essential to preserve the original settings so you can revert quickly. Once done with the basic enable, tune the output to avoid overload. You should restrict debug to specific modules or subsystems because full system debug can generate huge logs. Set module-level debug flags or use environment variables like app module equals module1 debug. Next, choose where logs go, local file for short tests, or a remote aggregator for long runs. Also enable timestamps and stack traces so you can correlate events. Finally, set log rotation and size caps to prevent disk fill-up during extended debugging. You finish by validating that debug produced useful information. Reproduce the issue and scan logs for errors, warnings, and stack traces. Once captured, reduce the verbosity or revert the debug flag to avoid performance impact, and archive logs securely for analysis. If you see no debug output, check file permissions, environment variables, and whether the service was restarted. Also confirm the correct config file was edited. A key troubleshooting tip: if logs are missing, enable console logging briefly to rule out file path or permission problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.